It is good to be here with you again this week, sharing a few moments with you, distinct people. Oh, someone is excited now, I can see. Have you ever done this before? In high school days, when your colleagues asked you to help him or her to do an assignment, and you try all means to put all reasonable points in your own, but when it comes to that of your friends, you reduce all the result-driven points you wrote in your own while writing his or her own, thinking that he or she must not have a better point, better result than you. Has it ever happened to you before? The reality is that we mostly have these special cares and concerns for the things that directly belongs to us, and we mostly forget that the things we want in the future are enclosed in what we have with us presently. Managing and taking care of someone else's properties and belongings exactly like your own without any ulterior motive. So the question is, how well did you manage and maintain the resources you have at your disposal, even when you are not the rightful owner of it? Distinct people, ownership mentality is a drive from the mind that helps you to mind and take responsibilities for the things that are not yours and manage it exactly like your own, with all sense of commitment, consistency, and integrity, even with no room for complacency. Ownership mentality is what makes you defend and protect the image and the interest of the companies and organizations you work with. Ownership mentality begins to set in when you learn and develop the right mindset to be accountable, equable, equitable, stable, reliable, reputable, and trustable. That is, when you are fully concerned about the progress and the success of the organization you work with. Hear this, distinct people, when you are able and capable to make reasonable decisions in the presence and in the absence of the employer, owners, or leaders, that is, making quality decisions that he or she would have made if available at that particular time, without any sense of ignorance and sentiment, because the shortest means to having or developing ownership mentality is to be actively involved. To imbibe a culture, you have to first be involved in the culture. To be successful in whatever you do in life, maybe as a follower, learner, or as an employee, is to inculcate the habit to participate and not to manipulate. You can't at any time substitute manipulation for participation. Participation is what shows you forth for recognition, and recognition is what drives you towards recommendation in life. You don't look or wish to earn a trust, you work to earn trust. The reality is that it takes a lot of discipline, focus, and determination to develop the character of ownership mentality, because it is an initiative that can't be developed in a day, but rather developed daily. It takes a gradual process, and along the process you are going to face so many challenges and difficulties from other people who doesn't care, such as hostility, hatred, criticisms, complaints, condemn, frustration, and distractions which set in along the way. But when you can withstand all these challenges, difficulties and oppositions and still maintain a certain level of integrity, then you ultimately become a person with strong ownership mentality. Distinct people, you can learn ownership mentality, you can develop it, and you can build it. Remember, a belief in yourself makes you live in the reality of yourself.